Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In the last pattern, we covered up to pattern number 42. In today's session, we will talk about a pattern number 43. Sir, it is the same like previous pattern. In the previous pattern, we have used uppercase alphabets, but in this pattern, we are going to use lowercase alphabets. Okay, so first five columns, which is going to start from E, D, C, B, A, something like this. Now, like this, I want to take how many values, sir? 5 rows and 5 columns. So it is the same like previous program, right? If you observe our previous program, it is going to print the alphabets from small e to small capital E to capital A. So can you please tell me what will happen if I want to print lowercase alphabets? Just you can pause the video for a few minutes and write down the code if you are practicing parallelly. Okay. So here in the place of 65, we know the ASCII value for capital A is nothing but 97. The ASCII value for capital A is nothing but what? 97. So, I mean small letters. 97 plus J if you take, then what will happen? Definitely it is going to print the values from small e to capital A. Because so 97 is the ASCII value for small letter alphabets, right? That's why we applied this particular approach to generate this kind of a printing of stars. I think you people got very clear clarity about this particular code, sir. Right? Yes, thank you.